Hello to all my amazing viewers. Welcome back again. Join me as I make Nigerian delicious meat pie. In my large mixing bowl, I'm going to go ahead to add my 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, I will add my baking powder, salt. Then I will use my hand mixer to combine the dried ingredients together. For this recipe, I'm using unsalted butter. So I'll go ahead and add the butter, use my well cleaned hand and mix everything together. After mixing, I'll go ahead to add my egg and continue mixing with my hand. Next, I will add my cold water. You can as well use liquid milk for this recipe. I'm going to keep on adding the water till I get the perfect dough for my meat pie. Now I'll go ahead to transfer my dough on my silicone rolling mat. You can also do this on any clean surface. I'm going to continue kneading this my dough until I get the perfect dough for my meat pie. After kneading my dough, I'm going to go ahead to divide the dough into two parts. Then I'll go ahead and use my cling film to wrap my dough and set it aside. Then I'll go ahead to start making my beef filling. For making my beef filling, I'll go ahead to add my vegetable oil into my frying pan. Next, I'll add my well chopped onion, add my blended beef, and mix everything together. Next, I'll go ahead to add my diced Irish potato and mix together with the meat. Next, I'll add my chopped pepper, dried thyme, powdered ginger, powdered garlic, and curry powder. After adding, I'll mix everything together. It's time to introduce my beef stock cube, then some salt, and I'll mix everything together. Next, I will add my diced carrot and continue stirring. Next, I'll add small water to my beef filling, and after that, I'll add cornstarch. I'm going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes on a low heat, and after that, I'll go ahead to add my well chopped spring onion. After adding the spring onion and mixing everything together, my beef filling is done. Next, I'll go ahead to unwrap my dough. After unwrapping it, I will divide the dough into 8 parts. After dividing the dough, I will take one part of the dough, roll it on my rolling mat. I'm going to be using my soup plate to mold the dough into a round shape. Add your beef filling to your flattened dough, and after that fold the top half over the filling to form a semicircle shape. Use your brush to apply egg on the edge of the flattened dough, and after that press down the dough to make sure it is well sealed, and also use your fork to press the dough down to make sure it is well sealed. As you can see now, my meat pie is well sealed, so I'm going to continue repeating the same process till I finish the whole dough. Brush with egg. This process will also help your meat pie to come out looking shiny and golden brown. 'Next, I'll go ahead to bake my meat pie for 25 minutes or until it turns golden brown. 25 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead to check on the meat pie. I'm going to be taking out the meat pie out from the oven. As you can see now, my meat pie is done. You can serve this drink with any soft drink or juice of your choice. Guys, let's see how the inside of my meat pie looks like. As you can see, it looks so yummy and delicious. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.